In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Aeropostale discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Aeropostale discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called Retail Me Not. And as you can see right here, we have at least three different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this 20% discount of your next order, all you have to do is select your code right here and you can copy this promo code and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get the discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we also have a list with other promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this one with 20% of your purchase, all you have to do is select your coupon code from right here. This is a discount code that you can copy from right here, and you can apply this promo code on your next purchase in order to get this 20% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.